BYD stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I want to mention is that BYD Gaming Corporation is $67.96, and all I'm looking to do is take things further higher, right? Without any sort of just effery or whatever. Like, I mean, I previously have gotten like my predictions here, and I do have proof to back some of my claims up. I mean, all the proof is on my YouTube channel. There's nobody else on YouTube that has done as much videos as I've done. 37,000 videos, these types of videos. And generally speaking, this type of stock tickers, right? And I'm not saying, obviously there's people that have done well over 40,000 videos, but I'm saying these types of videos. And I have all the proof to back it up. Like, every single thing has been documented and have invested 5 figures in courses and mentors. Looking at this thing here, it's actually so juicy, it's crazy. This is only really going to be something that I'll be buying as long as there is a shift. And without the shift, I'm not going to keep buying. You know, it's really that simple. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That is a free newsletter. Goodbye.